Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm JaMya, and in today's video is a very exciting video because I am finally trying the wet look. If you guys don't know what the wet look is, but it's just basically like your hair actually slick back, making an illusion as to it being wet. This has been going around Instagram everywhere, so I decided to jump on in this little challenge and this little trend to try this look on my hair. If you guys want to see how I got this look, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video. So as you guys know, I am going to attempt to do the wet look. Starting on freshly washed hair. I'm just gonna put this whole entire section up, leave out a small section in the back. If you guys have been subscribing to me for a while, you know I always use the coconut curling cream, like one of my go-tos creams for my hair. I'm gonna use the Eco Style Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel. I'm basically just gonna do this like a regular wash and go, but it's just gonna be like, you know, sleek back. So I started off with wet hair. It's not really that much wet anymore. I'm just gonna take my spray bottle and spritz it with some water. I just took some of my Cantu curling cream, and I'm just basically putting like all over this section. This is basically like a leave-in cream, because their leave-in cream is basically the same thing as this. It probably just has like different formula in it. Like it feels the same, it works the same as this curling cream. So I just get the curling cream instead of like the leave-in. They just really moisturize my hair, get it really soft enough for whatever gel I'm using, and it just works really well with my gel. I'm just really like focusing on my ends now, because I really want my ends to be popping. Now I'm just gonna take my Eco Styler and I'm just gonna put it on my hair. A little bit of this. Start with this side first and just basically apply it how I normally do my wash and goes, but I'm gonna try to sleek back my hair as possible. So actually I'm just like the gel, mixing it up in my hands, and I'm gonna turn around for you guys. And I'm just gliding my hands down from where my hairline stops. Taking a little bit more gel, adding more gel at the ends just so they can be really defined. I'll just take my water bottle. I'm also gonna take my comb and just comb the back like so. I just basically took down another section. It's not really that little for me because my hair is really not thick at all. I have like 3C hair. I've been seeing a lot of people on Instagram and YouTube do this wet look. So I'm here. I'm finally not late for nothing. Well, I don't think I'm late. I don't know. It's probably been out for a while, but I've never really heard of it until like a few months ago. I always said I wanted to do it, but I just never really got around to actually make this video. So now I'm here. Really excited to make this video because I'm really excited to see what my hair looks like. I know it's not gonna look like natural Niecy's hair, but we gonna go for it. Her hair was really flawless. Like I really liked her video, and her hair was like amazing. Even though my hair is not like hers, we gonna go for it. We gonna act like it's like the bootleg version of hers. They're doing the same thing. I think I want to do a middle part. I always do side parts, but I don't think it's gonna look good. I don't know. I'll probably try it some other time, but for now, I'm just gonna do a middle part. Normally, I do side parts. If you guys are new to my channel, I do side parts when I do wash and goes, so I don't know. But my hair isn't even that long enough to do a side part and then have on my hair just, yeah, no. So far, my hair is kind of hanging. Okay, growth, we see you.
Ryan Little.
On the last section, I'm basically just gonna do a middle part. Okay, so I'm gonna do one side first. So I'm just gonna twist this side and put it up. I'm just gonna start bringing this gel back into like a sleek part. Grabbing some more gel. Take this comb and just go back with it. So now I'm just gonna actually grab my hard bristle brush and I'm going to just brush this back to get like a more sleek look. Just gonna like work out my curls at the end. Now I'm just using the Got To Be glue gel. I'm just using this gel to do my edges. I also want to see how it will work when I put it like on top, just to end off my sleek look. But I'm just basically gonna put it like around the top of my hair, and then I'm just gonna brush it down. Onto my edges, I'm just gonna spray my hair. Now I'm just basically gonna tie up my hair, and I'm using a do-rag. This basically just helps sleek my hair down. And like this like flabby part, and I'm like covering my hair with it. I'm just tying it around that hair in the back, and I'm going up to the front, like where my edges are, and tying it in the back again. Now I'm just basically finna just let it sit like this overnight. I'll come back to you guys in the morning when I'm fully ready and show you guys the final look. Alright guys, so I am back, and I'm just gonna take off my scarf, out the back a little bit. So this is basically how my hair is looking. It's really good. I'm really shocked with the results. Actually, this is really cute. Like, I'm pretty happy with the results. This is what it's looking like. Overall, I'm really happy I stuck with this wet look challenge. It's really cute. If you guys enjoyed this video, then please give me a big thumbs up and comment down below if you guys have tried the wet look. And if you stayed all the way to the end and you have not subscribed to my channel already, please be sure you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you guys so much for all the support you guys show me. Thank you guys most importantly for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.